a example CAN database. What all it contains is some sample parameter group numbers that you might have similar ones at your company. So I'm going to run this. We can see that database created and populated. Now I'm going to run the J1939 parser, which is the CAN bus protocol you use at your company. And we're going to input the CAN ID and the data only, and then the program is going to parse these for us and give us a summary in return. So let's run this parser program. I'll enter a CAN ID in hex corresponding to one of the parameter group numbers, and then we'll enter 8 data bytes, which is a space separated hex. We have in return a summary of the CAN bus protocol and what it is telling us based solely on the ID and the data.